Hello everyone, good morning. Can you confirm audible or not? Can you hear me? So, where we stopped in the last session? What we discussed in the last session? What we discussed in the last session? I think we discussed about the string methods, right? We discussed about the string methods. Few string methods we discussed. Remaining string methods we can discuss now. So, which methods we discussed here? String methods. The first one is like capitalized. We discussed here. Next case follow we discussed here. Central text, how we can get it, count, encoded format of a string, either ASCII, either base UTF-8 or UTF-16. Okay, if you want that format, given string, if you want to convert it to that format, you can do it by using encode. So let's start with ends with. Okay, ends with is there as well as starts with also there. Okay, so I have one small requirement. What is the requirement? I have a list of players. Okay, I have a list of players like this. Sachin, Dhoni, and Saurav, okay, Dravid, Yuvi, like this. My requirement, I want a players list whose name is like starts with yes. I want the players list whose name is like starts with yes. So how we can have multiple players out there? I want the players list whose name is starts with yes. Whose name is like starts with, okay, ends with the E, whatever it is, starts with and ends with. I have a list of players. Among these players, okay, I want to get the players list whose name is like starts with yes. That is the requirement. How we can? Anyone? Okay, which method you want me to use? Can I go with the filter? Can I go with the filter? Yes, you can go with the filter method. Okay, filter is there, map is there, reduce is there. Okay, filter is expecting two arguments, but zero. So can I write like this? Can I write like this? Integer object is not iterable. So that can I add the iterable? Can I add the iterable? Now the next one is like name player is not defined. So that players you can add it. The next one is like integer object is not iterable, something like this. Okay, so can I write like a string like this? Okay, can I convert this one into list? Can I convert this one into the list format? Can I convert this one into list format? List object is not callable. The list object is not callable is nothing but what? It is expecting like a function or not. It is expecting like a function. Okay. Now, if I put like a 10 now, if you observe here, integer object is not callable. So that here integer value is there. He is telling like is not callable. So that my first value should be integer. Okay, not callable is nothing but it is which type? Not callable. It is which type? It's a function type, right? So that here integer object is not callable means here it is expecting like a function. So that can I use like a anonymous function, lambda function. Every time it gives me the value. Every time it gives me the value. Okay, here you can put something like this. Now it gives me such in some values, but I don't want like this. I want to not such in, I want to players. I want to players. Now you can get all the players or not. but I don't want all the players. I want the players whose name is like starts with yes. So can anyone tell me? Okay, lambda function returns me this value. Whatever it is going to return, that is only coming like an output. Here, you want me to return each and every value, na? You want me to return the value whose name, whose like starts with yes. I want to return the value who starts with yes. So, which method is there? Starts with is the method. The AR of str, the AR of str, see there has starts with one method is there. Starts with. Now, can you come here? Can I write? VAL is like which type? It's a string type. Starts with the yes. If I write like this, now if you come here, okay, see the players whose name is like starts with what? Whose name is like starts with yes, you can get it or not. So filter method we already discussed. Filter method takes two parameters. The first one is like what? Your callable value. Callable value means it's a function. So first one is like a function. The second one is like iterable object. Iterable object. Okay. So it is gives me the filter object. If you want to convert into list, you can convert into the list. So finally, if you observe here Sachin and Saurabh, you can get it. Okay, if you write like ends with. If I write like this, if you come here, no player ends with yes. No player ends with yes. So that it gives me what? Empty array. Empty array means empty list. Empty list. Okay, so can anyone tell me about the starts with or ends with? Okay, tell me something about the starts with or ends with. Here, my starts with or ends with returns me what? Starts with or ends with returns me what? Returns me what? Starts with or ends with returns me what? If you come here, okay, at least one argument it is going to take. So can I write like one argument? Yes. Now, if you come here, it returns me a boolean value or not. It returns me a boolean value. Yes or no? Agreed? All okay? But if you see this, if you see this, starts with maximum take how many parameters? I see this method message starts with like maximum how many parameters?
At least one.
How many?
At least one, it's showing.
At least one. Okay, at least one means minimum one. No? Maximum how many? I don't know. Can I put like some random values? Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, like this. Okay, now you can see. Starts with take at most how many arguments? Three arguments or not? At most take like a okay, three
Yeah.
arguments. So what are those arguments? Now see. If I write like yes, yes. Okay, if I remove this one, it is which type? Starts with it is like a method, so I called. The second one is like what Okay, if I write it like this, val dot starts with okay, C 2 comma 4 val na val. You only answer this. Val dot starts with okay, C 4 comma 5. Hmm. Last two parameters are what? Last two parameters what? Very simple. If you observe here, you are looking for which value? You are looking for which value? One. You are looking for which value? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. The second and third parameter also you mentioned here. You added here. It means what If you not mention anything, if you not mention anything, any second or third parameters, it is looking for the yes in the entire string. It is looking for this yes in the entire string. Got the point? But if you come here, It is looking for the yes, not entire string. It is looking for the yes, start from this position, end from here. Okay, start from here, ends with here. So starting second position. Okay, 0 1 2. Okay, this is my second position. From here it's starting. Okay, and so 2 4 difference is what? 2 ch. So in this particular area, it is looking for what? C. It is looking for C. Now, for example, if I write like this, it is like false. Why? I am looking for the C from which position? I'm looking for the C from which position? Third position. 0 1 2 3. Okay, H. From H I'm starting. 3 4 difference is what? 1. So H. I'm looking for C in this particular section. There are not there, not there. So that it gives me false. Understood? The first one is what? Looking for yes, 2 4. Okay, 0 1 2. 2 4 means CH. In the CH, yes, there are not there, not there. So that false. Okay, I'm looking for C 4 5. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4 4 5 difference is how much? 1. So that I'm looking for the C here. So here, what it gives? False. Okay, val dot starts with of what? Yes. Okay, it is looking for yes in the entire string or not. It is looking for the yes in the entire string. Understood everyone? Clear, okay? Great.
Yes.
Okay, same theory applicable for ends with also. Same theory applicable for ends with also. Okay. Okay. Ends with also same. Can I write like ends with also here? Ends ends with. Okay, this is the one, right? 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, from 4 it started. 4 5 difference is what? 1. Can I write like this? Then the time, what's my value? It's like true. Ends with true. Why? Because 0 1 2 3 4 starts with 4. Starting is like 4. 4 5 difference is how much? 4 5 difference is how much? 1. So that, okay, only one value is there. That one value is what? I. That is only the starting one, that is only the ending one. So there is no issue. Okay. We'll go to the next one. The IR of yes, the already there, no? Yes. Mm. Expand tabs. Check. What is expand tabs? Val dot expand tabs. Okay, it is like a function. So can I call it? Can I call it? Okay. Now can I put some values? Okay, there is no difference, nothing means just you can add something like this. Take at most, take at most one argument. So that one argument is which type? Is which type? So one argument is which type? One argument is which type? String object is not interpreted like an integer. That means String is not an integer, so I want integer order. So here, can I put like two? Can I put like two? Did you find any difference? Okay, but the input value, see, up to here, however he suggested, same like this only we added. Same like this only we added. Okay, here, val, this is my input. Val, it's like a such. If I write like directly, okay, val expand tab of 2, expand tab of 3, expand tab of whatever it is, whatever it is. It is gives me the value is like what? Same only. So as per our syntax, expand tab syntax, it is like a method. At most one argument it's going to take. That argument also integer only. So that one I added. There is no issue with that. Now you can go with the input. If you check the input is like what? Such. Input is like such. If you input is like such, if I add this expand tabs of 3, 2, 1, whatever it is, same it is giving, right? There is no use. So the input you can focus it. Okay. Whenever the input is like, for example, such yes, sir. There has one tab. Okay. Slash T represents tab. Slash yes is represent the space like that. Okay. Yes, here. Oh, yes, so tab. Yeah, tab. See here. For example, if I write like this. Okay, now this is my val. Now val dot the same can I write here. Can I write here. Now see this. There has some tab. Okay, wherever the tab is there, some space is added or not. If you want to see some difference. See, wherever the tab is there, there has 10 spaces added or not. The tab is expanded like what? 10 spaces or not. Yes or no? We not use directly like this, but the method is this one. Got my point? Okay, that means wherever the tab is there, the tab size you can set it. Okay, one space or two spaces or three spaces or like that. Got my point? If this particular one is not there, okay, slash t, if you not write, there is no use. Okay, if I remove this one, okay, you can get the same output that is like always such. That is like always such. Okay, wherever the tab is there, to that particular tab, it sets what? Sets the size. It sets the size. Okay, na? Agreed? It set the size for the tab. If slash t, the tab is not there, okay, it is not set the size. The next method is what? Find. Okay, what is this find method? Find. Val dot find. It is which type? Function type. Can I call it? Yes, you can call it. Take at least one argument, he said. At least one argument. I want at most also. At least one argument, at most three arguments. That's all. At least one argument, at most three arguments. Okay. So it's take like three arguments. Okay. Now, if I write like this, the first argument must be what? String. So I write something like this. Now, okay, na? Val dot find val dot find val dot find val dot find noted. Oh, no. Now tell me. Find returns me what? What is the return type of find? What is the return type of find?
Integer.
Huh? What is the return type of find?
Integer.
Return type of find. Yeah, integer, right? Minus one, no, two, minus one, like this or not? It's enough. It's an integer. So find to take maximum how many parameters? Find to take
Three.
maximum how many parameters?
Three.
Okay, it's like a three parameters. Okay, very simple thing. First one is like, okay, one. One there or not there? Not there. If it is not there, then the limit returns me minus one. Oh, there or not there? Yes, there. If it is there, then the limit returns me that particular position 0, 1, 2. So that 2 you can get. Z there, not there. So minus 1. Okay, again, wo. Okay, wo, right? This is wo. Okay, wo. There or not there? Yes, there. But still it gives me minus 1. Why? Because this one is like a starting and end. Maximum 3 parameters, right? Okay, this one is like what? Starting and ending. Ending is not there means end of the string. So I'm looking for O from where? 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. From here I'm looking for O. Okay, end of the string. So that I'm looking for the O in this particular section or not. So O there or not there? Not there. So that it gives me minus 1. Next, val dot find. I'm looking for what? O. Okay, from where? 0, 1, 2. Correct. I'm looking for O 0, 1, 2. And come on, difference is how much? 2. So 0, 1, 2 from here. Okay, 2, you can take it. ON. In this ON, looking for what? O. In the ON. O there, not there. Just there. So that it returns me that particular position. Understood? Come on. Okay, find method is used for what? To find that particular character or set of characters there or not there. If it is there, it returns me that position. If it is not there, it returns me minus one. If it is not there, it returns me minus one. Understood? Agreed with me? Any questions? Okay, the next one is what? Find format. Okay. Already we discussed about this format, right? Already we discussed about this format. It is used for what? Format the string. It means okay, there has some static data is there, dynamic data is there. If you want to add, okay, if you want to concat, then the best choice is like a format. So here we go. Now can I write VAL equals to the VAL dot format. That is use Dhoni only. Dhoni only. How many parameters is going to take? How many parameters is it going to take? How many parameters? Any number of parameters. Can you tell me? If any method or a function which holds any number of values, it holds any number of values. Okay, which kind of argument that is? Which kind of argument that is? Hmm? If the function holds any number of values, that function can define with which kind of argument? There has four types of arguments or five types of arguments we discussed, right? Positional arguments. Next. Come on. Positional arguments. Next one.
Keyword arguments.
Default arguments. Next. Variable length arguments, keyword variable length arguments. These all right. The function or a method which holds any number of parameters, that is which kind of argument? Which kind of argument? Hmm? That is which kind of argument? Variable length, right? That is like a variable length argument or not. Okay. Now you can take some value like this. Some text you can take it. My name is, okay, I'm from, like this. This is the text. So this is my text. This is my text. In this text, these values are there. No? This one and this one. These two values are like these two values are like dynamic. These two values are like dynamic. So how we can pass some dynamic value to this particular string? That is the question. So text dot format is the method. Text dot format is the method. Okay, replace index 0 out of range position argument tuple. That means, okay, to replace this one, the values you not specified, it's like kind of out of range. Here 2 is there, here 0. So can I mention those values? For example, can I write like, okay, such and I'm from Mumbai. From Mumbai. Now, if you come here, see, my name is Sachin. I'm from where? I'm from Mumbai. Or some, it's a kind of what? Okay, these are the dynamic values, and this one is like a static text. Both are like what? Concat or we concat both or not. Okay, the next one is like text dot format. Text only can take it. This is my text, right? Here 0 and here 1. Okay, here text dot format. Okay, 0 and 1. Okay, here I'm going to put like Dhoni, and here I'm going to put like branch. Branch. Okay, see here, 0th position is this one, first position is this one. Okay, for example, if I write like this, 1 no 0, 1 no 0, if I write the positions like this, now you can see my name is Ranchi, I am from Dhoni. Why? Because one position, the first one, okay, 0, 1, one position is this one. So Ranchi placed here, 0 position, 0, Dhoni, okay, Dhoni position here. So my name is Ranchi, I am from Dhoni, like this or not. Okay, this is one more one. Another one is what? Keyword arguments also can pass it. Keyword arguments. Keyword arguments. Okay, how we can pass the keyword arguments? Say this. You can take this one. You can give some names. For example, this is what for better understanding. Okay, name. This is what location. Location. Now text dot text dot format. For my name, I want to pass like UV. For my location, I want to pass like something like this. Now, see, my name is UV. I'm from Punjab. If it's like a keyword arguments, order not a matter here. See, if you write like text dot format, LOC equals to Mumbai and name equals to such. LOC equals to Mumbai and name equals to such. Now, if you come here, say this, my name is Sachin. I'm from Mumbai. So, agreed up. Okay, either you can pass the values like normal, like this. You can pass it. Either you can pass like a keyword arguments also. The keywords should match with what? Okay, your string has some dynamic references, right? Okay, that reference should be as like a keyword argument. If you observe here, first one, this is the first one, right? Order matters here. Why? Because the first one always go to the first dynamic value. Okay, in this area, the second one go to the second one in this area. If you come to the next one, my name is this one. I'm from this. Okay, so text dot format. Okay, zero at position is what? Okay, here order matters. Zero, zero, one is going to take one, one only. Okay, if I change this one, okay, one, this one, and zero go to this one or not. Okay, based on the positions, it is going to place your values or not. Yes or no. Here, order is not a matter. Wherever you want to put the name, you can put it. Wherever you want to put the location, you can put it. Okay, why? Because it is looking for the name in the entire keyword arguments list. Wherever the name is there, that value is going to place. It is looking for the location in the entire keyword list. Wherever the location is there, the location placed here. Agreed? All okay? Any questions so far? The next one, format map. It is similar to this one only, but it's like let me check it. Okay. Find any difference or not. Can I take the same this one, right? What is that one? Text format underscore map underscore sorry, format map take no arguments. Can I remove this one? Format underscore map only or this is my input. This is my input. Input dot format map. Yes, it's like a function. Can I call it? Can I call it? Exactly takes exactly one argument 0 k. What is the argument? 10. Integer object is not a subscriptable. Can I put something like this? Okay, keyword name. Can I put like name equals to such syntax this form, syntax error. And I put name is this one. Can I put? I miss this. It is looking for what? Location. Location is like Mumbai. How can I write like this? No, you only got. You only got. Format take any number of parameters, but this particular format map take how many parameters? Only one parameter. That is what? That is what? That is dictionary or not. That is going to take like dictionary or not. Okay. In this case, it's take like a dictionary or not. We are looking for what? Name. Looking for what? Location. Name and location. It's like place or not. For example, my input is something like this. My name is am from this. Okay. Now my input dot format underscore map. Take how many parameters? Take exactly one parameter. Can I write like this? Format string contains positional fields. Format string contains positional fields. Format map. Spelling is okay. Positional fields is nothing but positions, right? It means first position is this one, second one is like this one, like this. So, check it. Okay, in this case, dictionary is okay, but if it is like this case, okay, can I put like 0, like 1 input only? Format string contains positional fields. Okay, maybe this format string is not for that. Okay, check the format map. This is okay. Yeah, this is the one, right? We are expecting. The same is like dictionary one, it's going to take. Okay, it is always take like dictionary one. It's like not the one dictionary. The dictionary what name of 0 is nothing but first one like that. Yeah. Okay, in the format mapper, we can map the values in the dictionary format only, not like format. Not like format. Okay. It gives me syntax error. Okay. It gives me an error like this. Okay, if you want, okay, you can go like this. Check it. 0 is like yes, like 1 is like okay. Now if you write this is like you can put it. Yeah, oh yeah. Now, and, yeah, now write like 1 now. 0, it's going to take like a position. Okay. So format map is going to work with what? Format map is going to work with okay, only a dictionary. It's going to take like a dictionary. Here you have to mention your keys. Based on that one only, it's going to map the values or not. Okay, format is going to work for what? It's like a particularly this, or it's like a okay, it's like a positions if you give, then also it's going to work. Okay, when this suitable means format map. For example, you have a dictionary dynamically connected. Okay, that dictionary, if you want to map with a string, then the time best suitable is this one. I have a dictionary. I want to format with the data one string. That dictionary no need to split. If you give the dictionary directly to the format map based on the keys, it is going to do what? Based on the keys, come on, based on the keys, it is going to come on, based on the keys, it is going to add your values. Okay, that is format and format map. We'll see remaining things in the next session. You can check okay, you can check remaining methods. So we can see in the class itself. Thank you guys. Thanks for